through my flesh, there flows the essence, the life force. I am connected always. The rhythm of life force flows through me, as through all. I am a being of light and love consciousness, alive, flowing and swirling continually. Allowing the light to flow in through my nasal passages, through my mouth, filling my lungs, entering my blood flow, mingling, blending. It flows through my form, enriching, healing, restoring balance. I breathe in the life force, newness and growth. My conscious awareness expanding with each inward breath. And letting go, I breathe out. I breathe out. Letting go. Tension from muscles, from thought. I let go. Aches and pains, irritation flows out of me. And with each inward breath, replenishing, filling, nourishing me through my core, through my skin, my organs, my bones and bone marrow, rushing, flowing, filling, echoing out through my entire form and through my skin, through my energy layers and bodies, expanding, and expanding more. And I see as I am relaxing, I see as I am expanded, that I blend with all in the space I am in, all flowing as beauty, as light, and love unconditional. Blending with remembrance of who and what I am. And I breathe. I breathe safety and calmness. I breathe in inspiration, and joy is birthed in me. My chakras, each one, each energy center clear, restored and balanced. The light shining through them. I breathe, relaxing into who and what I am. And light at my core in all things. And from the ground, flowing up from the center of the earth to my feet and into the bottom of my tailbone comes glorious, light, grounded earth energy, life force, blended as divine Gaia, Earth Mother. We are connected, and I am safe. I am safe in and as earth living. I breathe, I flow, and I notice these lights from the earth energy and the life force. I breathe in, flowing and penetrating every aspect of my being. They combine, they blend, and moving up my spine, filling my whole form, and opening, flowing out through the top of my head. The lights go, continual flow of life essence. And from the top of my head, where the light emerges, it flows up and through the space I am in, through the sky, the atmosphere, the layers called space, through timelines, dimensions, realms, into the great oneness, source, creator. And I breathe light and beauty. I breathe calm and joy. And in this space of connectivity, divine light flows in and through, and I recognize it is the life force, the living spirit, the essence, the essence that connects us all. And I flow, blended and breathing. I let go. And in this space where I am connected as oneness, as source, as love, and down, through, out, and in all realms, all existing, from the smallest particle up and through, I see love, unconditional, healing and restoring and increasing the vibrations through all, and back through these spaces, back through the room, through my energy layers, into myself, my form, here and now, into physical body, and through my feet and connection with the earth essence to the very earth heart, I am grounded. And as I breathe, as I allow my intention to be held on that of aligning with the highlight, source consciousness, unconditional love, and with grounding with the earth heart center and the life force that flows through and that is me. I hold my intention strong. I walk forth in the world in this manner. I am peace. I am love and light. Light flows through me forever long. Shalom.